Innovative Tyres and Tubes Limited, an Indian tyre company established in 1995, driven to drive you better. A company driven by innovation and talent, offering the world a range of tires for various applications. We have an amazing range of Indian origin nylon agricultural tires for flotation, tractor and irrigation systems. For industrial tires, Innovative offers loaders, graders, JCB, skid steer tires. It has a wide range of pneumatic forklift tires along with a vast range of solid tires. The nylon Bias LCV truck and bus tires, the range starts from 650/14 and goes up to 1224 size. The company also offers multiple pattern options for motorcycles and three-wheeler tuk-tuk tires. Innovative tires are already exported to over 60 countries. The process starts with the meticulous selection of raw materials procured from reputed suppliers globally. All material is then tested by experienced quality control engineers. For the plies of the tires, the nylon is tested for EPI and made moisture-free before calendering with gauge control tools for uniform bonding. Weight and length of every tread and sidewall is measured and recorded. Automated tire building machines are used for tire building and green tires. Precise marking and printing ensures individual batch markings of tires. In-house bead building ensures 100% backward integration and quality control. Curing is done in automatic presses with temperature control. Innovative also produces the entire range of butyl tubes and flaps for its tires. With automated splicing machines, the factory can produce up to 1 million tubes every month in various sizes. Innovative Tires has all requisite certificates like DOT for USA, E-Mark for Latin America, ISO certified plant, PSQ for Philippines, SNI for Indonesia, SONCAP and others. We speak your language. Please call us for a quote in French, Portuguese, Persian, Russian, Spanish or Arabic. Innovative Tires for the road ahead.